So I'm going to do a bit of solar cooking today. It's 9:30 in the morning and my batteries are all fully charged already. So we got a lot of sun the last few days. And boil some water and then I cooked some spare ribs. I got these on sale in Lidl supermarket for $2 a pound. I cut out just enough to fit in my air fryer. So I set the air fryer at 300 degrees and cook this for 45 minutes. I wrap it in tin foil and then cook it for another 15 minutes at 400 degrees with the tin foil removed so it can brown it. Then I got some crescent rolls, the ones that comes in a little tube. You just roll them out, put them in the air fryer. You can make 8 small crescent roll, and I baked it at about 350 degrees for 12 minutes in the air fryer, and they came out really nice. Don't leave it in there for too long or they can get too brown. You can look at it at maybe about 10 minutes and make sure you don't overcook them or burn them. Yeah, it's nice and soft, and a little butter would help a lot. Yeah, that's how they look. 350, about 12 to 13 minutes. Yeah, that's the solar cooking for today. I upgraded the system with the addition of 2 extra 100-watt panels for a total of maybe about 550 to 600 watts now.
Have charged up the batteries again.
All free energy.
So
No grid power needed.
tomorrow I'll have a great deal of charge in the morning. So these are the batteries that I have. That's SOK. This is Eco-Worthy, Power Queen, Rebel, and this is Scream Power. So it's a mishmash of batteries, but they all work together because all these are in parallel. This one is a Eco-Worthy. I recommend this one. 280 amp hour. All right, thanks for watching.